Use a telescope attachment kit for a camera. A telescope attachment kit allows you to shoot subjects even from very far distances from where you are standing. This gadget is ideal for people who love to shoot nature subjects and anything else that you are interested in. The good thing about a telescope attachment kit is that aside from a digital or optical camera, you can also attach it on cell phones that have camera capabilities. If you want to take pictures of the sky and the stars at night, you can do so as long as your camera has night vision feature. The kit comes with different parts essential for taking faraway pictures effectively. This article will show you how to use a telescope attachment kit for your digital/optical camera or cell phone. Read on. Know the model of your camera or cell phone. Each telescope attachment kit must be compatible with your camera's model, or it will not fit the camera properly. When you go to a store to buy an attachment kit, tell the store's representative of your camera's model so you will be recommended the right telescope attachment kit. Choose the brand that suits you and the one that fits your budget. You can opt to buy the components separately, or you can choose a kit that comes with all the other components. Study the owner's manual. The kit comes with the telescope itself, a T-mount or adapter. Familiarize yourself with the different components and their specific purposes. The manual will also have a detailed drawing on how to attach the kit successfully to the camera. Attach the telescope attachment kit. First, you have to use the appropriate screwdriver to screw the T-mount to the telescope's back threads. Once you have screwed the T-mount, attach the telescope itself on the camera. You may have to remove any detachable lens in your camera to accommodate the telescope. Consult the manual for the proper way to attach it. Make sure that the attachment is secure and will not fall off the camera. Get ready to shoot at your subject. Once you have attached the kit, go outdoors and look for a subject from a far distance and aim your telescope on the subject and zoom in to your desired distance. Depress the shutter. Look at the image that you shot right after and see if you are satisfied with the result. Take more pictures of everything around you to maximize the use of your telescope attachment before you take it out again off the camera or cell phone. When your telescope attachment kit is not in use, make sure that you keep the components in their proper storage to avoid any damages to the kit. Wrap each component in bubble wrap separately so that even if it bangs to a hard surface, it will not have any dents or cracks. Keep the kit out of small children's reach because they might mistake it for a toy. Wipe the telescope and its parts with clean dry cloth before and after using it to remove any dirt and dust that may have accumulated. Be careful in not getting it wet.